Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money on ClickBank with minimal effort? Join me, Scott from SpringHillFox.com, as we dive into the world of affiliate marketing, where millions are made daily. Discover how to select the right products, tap into high-demand niches, and start earning significant commissions. Stay tuned for my upcoming detailed guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on boosting your online income. Welcome to the goldmine of affiliate marketing, ClickBank, where every day, millions of dollars change hands in a vibrant digital marketplace. And I'm here to guide you through this lucrative world. ClickBank isn't just a platform, it's a vast network of over 250 million affiliates and vendors, generating sales that soar to $250 million each year. Imagine pocketing commissions between 50 to 75%. Enjoying weekly or bi-weekly payouts, all without any sign-up fees. But here's the deal, success isn't just about joining, it's about strategizing. The key lies in selecting the right niche and products. Look for offerings with high commission rates, captivating sales pages, and a solid market reputation. Steer clear of overcrowded markets to ensure your offers stand out. Now, let's talk strategy to hit that $100 per day goal. Focus on products in high demand yet low competition niches. Leverage ClickBank's analytics and craft targeted marketing campaigns using SEO, social media, or email marketing to effectively reach and engage your audience. Remember, consistency and understanding your audience are paramount. Building trust and providing value beyond the products will set you apart in the affiliate marketing game. Ready to embark on this journey and transform your financial future? Check out the links below to get started, and remember, it takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Scott.